So anyway, let's get back to the story. And so what actually happened was they hired her, even though I told them not to hire her and she was not qualified. They listened to one of their employees that brought this woman in, and she embezzled all of this money. She took money out of their account because she had all of the control. She applied for an Amex under the different companies. And then once she got the Amex, she remodeled her house. And then the company paid for it, because when the Amex was due, she would use the company's money to pay the Amex. And it was just too many red signs that they did not pay attention to. And that's where companies make a mistake, because they feel like they hire you, you're the professional, so they're gonna leave it to you to do. And that is the mistake, because you give that person too much power. We as accountants and different titles behind our names to help you to understand your financials and your tax returns. Look, we are an expert, at what you can write off, the things that you can do, the tax forms. We learn those things, right? But it is not our company. It is not our money. It's your money. And you have to take responsibility for your company, for your money. And you have to pay attention to that. You have to learn to ask questions. Usually when you hire a bookkeeper or a CPA or whatever, and they do your monthly books, at the end of the month, they send you your financials. They say it's complete. And then you are to review them. And sometimes looking over those documents is like a deer with headlights, because you don't understand it. You don't know what it's saying. But it's okay to say, I don't understand this. I need you to explain it to me. And I'm going to say this. I don't care how busy you are. You might be traveling a lot. You might be speaking a lot. You might be doing a lot of things, and you got your hands and you have to wear so many hats. But don't wear so many hats that you do not pay attention to your bank account. Look at your bank account every day, in the morning and then in the evening, to see what's coming through, and ask the questions, because nothing should be coming out of your bank without your approval. Do not give an employee, the go ahead to just pay anything and withdraw anything and use your credit card or whatever. Do not do that, because when you do that, that's when you make the mistake. So pay attention to your business. Pay attention to your employees, and don't give one person all of the control. As I have my master's in forensic accounting, and when I was going to school for that, they showed us red signs to look for on a person that would possibly steal from a company. And one of the biggest red flags is a person that has the position of power but never ever take off. They will never take a vacation. They'll just take their vacation pay, but they go to work, and they make you feel that the company cannot run without them. And when you have somebody like that, more than likely they are doing something that they should not be doing, and they're taking money, or they're doing it. You will see when you research that person is taken from the company. So just wanted to talk about that, put it out there, and always pay attention to your business.